Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name's Cody Kidd. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. Let's go on the lot and I'll show you one of our certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year, 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. Let's go take a look. Here we have our 2015 Toyota Highlander XLE. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with power heated outside mirrors and integrated turn signals, roof rails, chrome window trim, deep tinted glass. The 2015 Toyota Highlander remains a top choice in third row family crossover class. This Highlander has 18-inch 5-spoke machine-faced alloy wheels with all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Highlander is in great condition. It has full automatic projector beam halogen daytime running lamps with delay off, along with fog lights, heated wipers, and a really nice black grille with chrome surround to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 6-cylinder 3.5 liter engine with automatic transmission. This Highlander has front-wheel drive and is estimated the driver received 21 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Highlander only has 35,772 miles on it. At the back of the Highlander, you can see the antenna, the lip spoiler, flip-up glass hatch, along with rear wiper, large brake lights, sleek chrome badging. Using your key fob, you can open power liftgate for easy access for cargo area. Looking at the cargo area, you can see it's very spacious, and the back seats fold down for more space as needed. This cargo area also features cargo lights for packing and unpacking at night. This Highlander even has a comfortable third row seating option for carpooling with family and friends. Passengers in the second row will be excited to find their very own climate controls and can utilize the fold down armrest with cup holders and power outlet, as well as seat back storage. There's also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is very well appointed with nice chrome and metal-like interior accents. Drivers and passengers alike will feel very comfortable in the power adjustable and heated leather seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Highlander is also equipped with a garage door opener, locking glove box, and push button start. Here are the easy reach controls for the power side mirrors, power liftgate, power door locks with auto lock, power windows with front row 1 touch up and down. This Highlander is very comfortable tilt telescoping leather wrap steering wheel with on-wheel controls for cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone will enjoy: the power tilt and sliding moonroof. This touchscreen display is home for your Intune premium multimedia and navigation features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio and CD player. It's MP3, XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using USB or auxiliary ports. This advanced system even has voice recognition. You also have dual zone automatic climate control, and everything you see here is very easy to use. Take a look at the backup camera. It's very clear, and the guidelines make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. Again, this vehicle is Sparks certified, which includes a 7-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years, 30,000 mile complimentary recommended service. It also includes 160-point quality inspection by a Toyota certified technician, lifetime Sparks preferred customer program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service done here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy your car anytime. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thanks for watching.